please.
This time I will go a bit
No, no, no,
further.
no, no.
Aura is dead.
Who was it this time?
No, no, no. Oh
Is
my.
any fun?
Oh my god.
You're alive!
What?
It's a Christmas miracle.
I don't know about that.
You will get a new protect for that. Why are we 3 again?
Because oh, that red mage was with us yesterday.
That's the same one that killed me.
Yes, and you killed her.
I regret
Good
nothing.
news, everyone.
I
She
regret
is
nothing.
dead. Alright! Oh my god.
I don't want to accept it.
You post macro.
Macro, please.
Aura.
She's the one who killed me. Is that one? That one.
Daddy, daddy, it is that one who bullied me. Aura.
I didn't do nothing. What can I do? Just wait there? Nah. I attack.
They are so close though.
Oh. Okay.
I'm going to die.
I died.
I'm going to... No, never mind.
I had to use benediction on you though. For you to not
Okay.
die.
I'll bring it here now. Rip!
Then we
Then wrong
move
out.
away again.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I didn't know you have learned to fly at some point.
Ballad.
The way that sounded.
Oh my. Paladin.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then that's it.
Alright.
And we all die.
Yay.
Pretty much, yeah.
Something went wrong.
Oh
Well,
no.
yes. I died.
Never mind. I think we could.
Well, yes, me dying is normal.
The Lala, yeah. The Lalafell confused me.
No, 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 no.
I saw
Where?
that. Server is destroyed.
Destroy.
Oh, no. Not okay.
Red mage almost dead.
They are gonna be
Aura
soon
not
enough.
dead? Question mark.
I mean, I hope so.
The
Hello.
wings were actually pretty cool.
Hello.
I
Ow.
haven't been partnered. Okay, wait.
What?
I was gonna say I haven't been partnered with you for that yet, and then we died.
I was just before that dash. I was like, yes, Aura is partnered with me. We are gonna survive.
Yeah, same. That's what I thought
Nope.
too.
This is a pain for every one of us, and we have to share it.
Can we? No.
I mean, sharing is nice,
Oh.
but...
Sharing is caring and also death.
no.
No, stop right there. I'm gonna get aggro soon.
You have a problem.
Just
Please fix our earliest convenience.
It's the bard again.
Down
On the road again.
Oh my god! What a stink.
Can we switch? You can have the Lalafell and the VTech
no,
Aura.
no.
No,
Of course not.
only blue ones here this time.
Wow,
We'll have-
racist.
Great, now that we can tell between different colors.
We are progressing.
As humans.
That as well, I suppose. Will I get hit by it if I...
No,
Okay,
you'll be
no,
behind
okay.
it, you're fine.
Hello.
Get behind me.
Yes.
Get behind me, Mr. President.
Too true though.
Although I would be worried if Mo was our president, to be honest.
Well,
Ah,
yes.
everything is fine. What do you guys
The
mean?
country would be in ruins and I'm going to die.
That's what you get for calling me a bad president.
What?
Oh. Well,
High pitch. So then I was like, oh yeah, I need to go to that corner, but I don't have time, so I'll go to my fireplace, where I usually
you go into the fireplace.
Yeah, my fireplace.
I can help you get in.
Oh my god. Guess I was sent after all. came through the chimney to my fireplace. The warrior was. Yeah, stupid
Yes.
warrior. Why you
I was
always
fucking
out of-
dead because of our stupid heal.
I look this way. Didn't do nothing.
The sad thing is, it's mostly not because of us that we die.
Yeah, but that's
You don't
pretty
say.
much- That's always the case, really. But it's a bit different because we don't have a static crew. So
You are
kinda
going to be a
lose.
static soon enough.
Thanks. That'd be appreciated. This dollar fell. It's so close to me. I don't like it.
Can we
Slap
kick
it, maybe it goes
No.
away.
Can we kick it to that orbit over there?
I thought you said, can we keep it?
No.
And I was
Can we
like,
kick
no.
it?
Like, yes. It reminds me of that game with a video I linked to.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeet.
Yeah.
That would be so glorious, though.
Can you freeze, please?
Because I started thinking I should remake that game and change the older character to me, and then the child to Lala. Oh my god, that would be way too good. Oh no.
Did you get hiccups or something?
How can you not hear that?
I heard it, but I was just...
I think I have caused something very bad. Oh my god. Oh wait, it wasn't spread yet. Oh my god. I misplayed.
Can you stop? Fucking shaming me for it.
I thought it was split, and then we had to man spread. I'm passing again in threat and I can't do anything about it.
Okay, it reset now, don't worry.
Thank god. I still didn't have lucid dreaming yet.
This is the part when we are supposed to manage.
At least I'll get to mansplain to the woman.
He'll be up before explosion.
You go.
Explosion!
Heal me up before you go. I think it's gonna be shield, right?
Probably yes, because he has
Yeah.
the shield.
Yes! Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Having no music on, just all of a sudden hearing a Lalafell die, displeases me. I remember, isn't it just a rollator?
Roll later? Yes, it is.
Okay.
We need to get you a roll later. He's so slow nowadays. I think he can manage.
I'll go this fast with rollator.
You can...
Let me go. Fast as fuck, boy.
Wow, that's rude. There is no dear god.
Only a human god. That's when you know the joke was really good.
Oh my god. I just recovered from hiccups. Can you know?
Oh boy.
I guess back in your days those kind of jokes were...
Back in my day, there was only human god, and we used to ask him why. But I guess dear god is a new thing. Young and hip and cool people want to bow down to. Aura, are you alive? But what the heck are we waiting for? I kind of forgot.
What are we waiting for? Can you stop making people uncomfortable?
For 1 second.
This is
I
why
mean-
we
I
need
mean,
to
that
take
happens
him
when I
retirement
freeze.
home. Like.
Oh no.
Why should we should leave Grandpa home next time? Embarrassing us every time.
And they told me have it for a series.
Grandpa haven't have affection for.
Oh no! Because of you, I missed my. Oh my god!
Oh no, he got affection. This is not good.
Oh no. Don't mess it up.
Oh no.
No, back away. No, back away. Good.
Now you can try to hit on him instead.
That's gay.
So, who is gay?
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Oh my god.
That's
And
what I
throat
was-
spray.
You have lips.
I mean,
no, but no.
Yeah, but I
no.
want to share.
But no.
Busy
F's
laughing.
in chat.
I thought we were over this.
Apparently not.
Fine.
No! Okay.
Let me rephrase. This is not fine.
Thank you. Good news, everyone. Aura is alive.
Is that good news?
That is indeed good.
Doubt. Oh, back.
Welcome back.
Thank you for the slap.
No
Needed
problem.
Waking you up from your stasis.
it.
Oh no, I got
Oh,
hiccups
no.
now.
What is wrong with you two? Oh boy, don't kill me. I almost died. Someone did die though.
Nice.
Cool. I don't feel good about this.
Okay.
Me neither. It's gonna be
So
interesting
then we
with
go
one
in
either.
the middle
Yes.
Yes.
and then die? Okay.
Well,
Yes.
I mean. Oh.
Sorry.
The roll later wasn't fast enough.
True. Oh my god, stop it now. Right now. That Lalafell did a double yell in row. Just, no. Wah, wah. Just like,
Rishi, are you okay?
yeah. Aura.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Oh no!
What the actual fuck? I don't know how to feel about that legit sound of panic. I have no idea why they were next to me.
She usually jumps away.
What a weird person.
I mean, I jump away from you as well, so...
No, you stole my
You
joke. I was gonna say that as well.
So what was this again? Was it the
Shoot.
spread at first?
Go to your corners.
Yes, I'm...
Think what
Corners,
you
yeah.
Okay. Well, would you look at that? Going to use a lot of this defensive also.
I got Ray up now.
Good.
And full HP. Oh, careful the eye position. Eye position.
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah, I'm going to aim it here.
Oh yeah, I stepped in the eye. Fuck. That was bad of me. Can you still kill it? Yeah,
Yes.
you can.
Hey.
Ooh.
Hey.
Hooray! We did it!
Did it. Bleep bloop bleep.
Peace, right?
I mean, to be fair, someone will get destroyed soon.
Well, yes. God damn it! Why? Why you do this?